Hello there my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make a food that I have been making almost every day these past 2 weeks because it's delicious. We're going to make a plant-based version of a German Schnitzel, and it has high nutrients and high protein and very lean, and you're going to love it. So let's get into the recipe. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. A little bit different one, I know, but nonetheless very delicious, isn't it? I hope you make it, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram and Facebook, and please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on my social media, and I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye.